Embarking on a fitness journey is an exciting venture, and incorporating aerobic exercises can significantly enhance your cardiovascular health. Before diving into an array of complex regimens, it's essential to focus on beginner-friendly exercises that make fitness enjoyable and effective. Walking is perhaps the simplest and most accessible aerobic exercise for beginners. Just stepping outside, breathing in fresh air, and putting one foot in front of the other can elevate your heart rate and boost your mood. To add variety, try walking in different environments like parks or nature trails. As you build endurance, increasing your pace or adding slopes can keep the workout challenging. Cycling is another fantastic aerobic option that can be done outdoors on a bike or indoors on a stationary cycle. It provides a low-impact workout, reducing stress on the joints while engaging multiple muscle groups. Start with short, leisurely rides and gradually increase the duration as your confidence and stamina grow. Cycling is not only a great way to exercise, but also a scenic way to explore your surroundings. Jumping rope might seem like child's play, but it's a powerhouse cardio workout for all ages. This rhythmic activity requires coordination and timing, making it a fun challenge for beginners. Start with short intervals of jumping, allowing yourself to rest between sets. As you progress, you can explore different jumping techniques or increase the duration. Making each session unique. Dance-based workouts have gained popularity for good reason. They combine movement with rhythm, making exercise feel like a celebration rather than a chore. Whether it's Zumba, hip-hop, or just dancing in your living room, this dynamic exercise can jolt your energy levels and improve coordination. Find a class or follow online tutorials that match your pace and preferences. Lastly, swimming provides a full-body workout that is both refreshing and gentle on the joints. Beginners can start with simple strokes or even water aerobics classes, which combine resistance training and cardio. The buoyancy of the water helps support your body, making it a perfect introduction to aerobic fitness. Incorporating these beginner-friendly aerobic exercises into your routine can pave the way for a healthier lifestyle. Remember to listen to your body and gradually challenge yourself to improve your fitness level while having fun along the way. Embarking on a fitness journey can be exciting, especially when exploring the world of aerobic exercises. These activities are not only enjoyable, but also incredibly effective in improving cardiovascular health, boosting endurance, and aiding weight management. For beginners, it's crucial to choose exercises that are both accessible and engaging. Let's dive into some of the best aerobic exercises suitable for newcomers. To fitness, walking is perhaps the simplest and most versatile aerobic exercise. It requires no special equipment, just a good pair of shoes and a willingness to step outside. Whether it's strolling through your neighborhood, hiking in nature, or even walking on a treadmill, this low-impact exercise can significantly elevate your heart rate, helping you burn calories and enhance your overall fitness level. Aim for brisk walks of at least 30 minutes several times a week, and watch your stamina improve. Cycling is another fantastic choice for beginners. Whether you prefer a stationary bike indoors or cycling outdoors, this activity offers an excellent way to get your heart pumping while enjoying the scenery around you. Cycling is also relatively low impact, meaning it's easier on the joints compared to many other forms of exercise. Beginners can start at a comfortable pace, gradually increasing their duration and intensity as fitness levels improve. Joining a cycling class can also provide motivation and guidance. Swimming stands out as an ideal aerobic activity, especially for those who may have joint concerns or prefer a refreshing workout. The buoyancy of water reduces stress on the body while providing resistance, leading to increased strength and endurance. Beginners can start with simple strokes, gradually building their technique and confidence in the pool. Whether it's a lap swim or joining a water aerobics class, the aquatic environment offers a fun and effective aerobic workout. Dancing is an enjoyable way to get fit without even realizing you're exercising. From salsa to Zumba, dance workouts combine rhythm and movement to elevate your heart rate. It's a social activity that can add an extra layer of enjoyment while developing coordination and flexibility. Beginners can join classes that suit their interests and gradually advance to more complex routines, all while having a great time. Incorporating these aerobic exercises into your routine can harness the joy of movement while setting the foundation for a healthier lifestyle. Always remember to listen to your body and aim for consistency over intensity, ensuring that your fitness journey remains fun and sustainable.